GR Yaris, the Rallye spec. We're doing a clutch upgrade.
Just don't forget to pull that back.
You electronic stuff. It's never accurate anyway.
I think we'll get about what is he chasing? 200?
It's all pretty good. Wait, just check that. Okay, slide it further in, yeah, slowly.